Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video, you notice I'm starting it off a little bit different, and I'm in a whole different place because I'm at my friend's Ben's house, right? You know, we just did some stuff, hit the gym. I know with me, y'all probably surprised. You probably just heard hit the gym, looked at me like, you know what the f the gym is? I know, right? Yeah, it seems like that, but no, your boy's actually pretty good. I'm pretty good at athletics, you know? I'll be staying fit, y'all understand that? But yeah, we're not gonna get too off topic. Today, we got something special. Basically, I caught my first Gucci belt right here, if y'all can see. You know, it's a little birthday present because my birthday is in how many days? Like 4 or something? Yeah, 4 days. So June 26th, stay tuned. That's my birthday. We have a lot of fun that day. Trust me, it's gonna be awesome. I'll be showing y'all around for some of it. I mean, it's mainly just gonna be in Charlotte. Not gonna be doing too much, but you know, some of my friends may be here, so that's gonna be cool. And probably mainly just hang out with my family and things like that. But yeah, we're really gonna get into it. I'm gonna be showing you how to like style Gucci belts. I'm gonna be going over it, sort of reviewing it. And just really like, as like this is my like first like big designer belt ever, and especially a Gucci belt, I sort of just wanted to like do this video as like, is it worth it sort of thing too. And you know, this is just like a basic video because I got some more big stuff coming up soon. Like this is just like a little video. Like I'm looking at some of my stuff that I have planned here, like on my schedule, how you can really wear it. So if you need any help with that, that's what this video is for. So hope you guys will enjoy it. I hope it'll be helpful too. If you're new, want more content like this, unboxings, things like that, go ahead, subscribe below, drop a like. We're gonna be doing plenty more stuff like this, especially with reviewing clothing. I've been wanting to do more videos like this, more unboxings. I'm trying to get into more just all around streetwear and things like that. And yeah, we're gonna get straight into that. So hope you guys will enjoy this video. And yeah, Ben is gonna be here in a second too, but I'm a stylist and really like started, so let's get started. And I'm sorry if the lighting's not the best. Again, this isn't my room. All right, I'm at a whole different house right now, but basically here's the belt. It comes in this case right here. Gucci, you know, try to make a thumbnail or something out of this, you know, you feel me? Like, but it'll probably be when I take it out. But y'all can see this little dust bag right there that comes in, very nicely done. I say the quality's pretty good. I don't know why I'm talking so quiet either. I've been here plenty of times, but basically here's the belt. I personally thought this was sick. Here's the buckle actually right there. You're gonna see that silver, or sort of just stainless steel, I think, but y'all can see that. I'm making a thumbnail. So here's this, you know, just stainless steel. I'm just gonna make the thumbnail another time, or probably when I put it on, something like that. But basically you can see the pattern actually that's on it, or sort of the design right here. Basically, you got sort of like an olive colorway right here, and then like burgundy, darker red, what do you call that? Something like that. But basically you see it is in good condition, very good condition. This is pre-owned, so that's why I was able to get it for the deal. And you know, there's the Gucci details right there, y'all can see. It's not focusing, but you can tell from there, you know, little buckle part, and then there, you know, like there you go, the sizing right there. I usually use that one right there just to give y'all some extra details, but you can see sort of just the design. I really messed with it. And the main reason I actually got the belt, other than that, is because actually it matched some pants that I caught recently. So recently I was able to get these pants, these like green Gap pants, and this is like another styling tip thing. I mean, I'm gonna get into all that in a second after like I review the belt a little more, but basically overall my first opinions on designer belts like this is they actually are really comfortable, and like they're actually really good. Like I was surprised. Like I was just thinking, oh well, I'm just buying this because it's Gucci. That's the main reason. Like I thought I was gonna originally buy this and review it just because it had the buckle, it had the 2 G's, the double G's. And that's the only reason I thought this was maybe even slightly worth it. But actually after putting it on and wearing it, like it keeps your pants up. It's comfortable, it's nice, and it's a little flex. And you know, I was able to style it pretty decently with these pants. I'm gonna show you all that in a second so you can see what I'm saying, because this tee obviously doesn't go with this very clearly, so I gotta change some things up. But I messed with this heavily. I think this is really nice, and yeah, definitely like good quality overall. So it did shock me a bit. So like I was like, hey, you know, maybe designer belts are worth it actually. And like in my opinion, I find this belt to be worth it since I was able to get this for, I think it was like $220, I think. So that's a really good deal. So that shocked me a little bit. Basically what that was is me leaving Ben's house to come here, but this is several hours later. I just took a nap. It just took me a really long time to wake up, so I now have a lot of work on my hands here with this video. But basically some things in particular with styling like this Gucci belt, I really just wrapped it up sort of. I can show you guys like the details on it earlier, like look at that, sort of like the red and green and all that. And now I got my lights, so everything's a little bit more like better to spot, but you see all the detail on that. And it's really nice material. I don't know what it is, but like if anybody can tell me what kind of material like this belt is made of, because someone probably knows the name, then let me know. I mean, it's not leather, but like, you know, it's good material. Or this may be on the inside, but I'm not exactly sure. But basically it's very comfortable, and yeah, it works. So basically now I'm gonna show you guys some things that I think are personally really good to do when styling Gucci belt, like some of the things you should try to do in order to style it best. And then this one is an interesting one, so I'm really gonna show you guys just basic things. If this was only one color, I'll show you all really. It's a little harder to explain, but yeah, I'm really gonna show you all basically what it looks like. So let's get started. Alright, so some important things I think you should do when styling your Gucci belt. I'm gonna get a little closer. Basically have the color of the belt or a color that is on the belt match the same color, and try and get as close as possible to matching the same color as your pants. I know I've been wearing these pants so much in recent videos, so I'm getting new ones, but I think it's really important because it actually makes your belt look better, and it just matches a little better with your outfit and sort of what you're doing. So you see this one sort of matches or has a color that matches basically the exact color of my pants, so that's really good. And then also, even though like some of the designs in the tee match it a little bit, so I guess this tip right here is have your belt color match your pant color in some way. So one of the colors in your belt has to match your pants, or try and do that. It just will probably make it look better, and it's just personal suggestion. Now another tip that you have after that, this one's a really important one too, is try and have your tee color, so the color of your tee actually match the color of your shoes when wearing the belt. So basically, you know, just basically try and match, so style your stuff, so tee color match shoe color, belt color match pant color, and you know, just try and keep everything really simple like that. So you know, shoes matching the tee, and then make sure your tee is sort of matching the belt a little bit, and make sure that your belt has one color on it that's matching your pants. It's just a really basic tip I think when sort of styling this. And then also, you know, when styling this too, you can also, if you want to show the buckle a little bit, you can actually tuck your shirt on a little bit like that, and yeah, you know, basically you can just sort of show it. But I mean, I'm not really gonna do that. I sort of just wear it like this, I guess, but you know, it all falls down like that. So just a tip I have right there, the basics. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm exhausted, I'm tired. I really don't know why I'm so tired, so I'm gonna finish this video and edit it and then get it out. There's a storm going on outside, so I don't really know what I have for the rest of the day other than basically being at my house pretty much. But want more like this? Please go ahead and subscribe, drop a like, do any of that. I really would appreciate it. It goes a long way. I've been doing a lot of unboxings and stuff like that recently, so if you want more, I got y'all for sure. And yeah, my camera's about to die, so I'm actually gonna go. So I'm Tristan, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.